Wow, I am so excited to be here right now, just sharing with everyone about this amazing workshop that I attended with Carden. She is absolutely phenomenal. The biggest thing that I learned from Ann was I currently run a mastermind already, but the strategies that she gave during the workshop, I already know that it's going to help me to double what I did in my last launch. My last launch, we did $21,000, but I know that we're going to at least double that and go beyond with this one strategy that I learned. And I'll even share that strategy was in my mastermind. In my mastermind, what we do is it's an accountability mastermind. But the one thing that Ann does that I don't do, I'm doing now currently, or will be doing, is making sure that I have a complete plan for each individual member so that they can chart their progress the entire way. And I think that's so important because unlike with group coaching, everybody's in a group coaching model and they're all kind of focused on that one thing, but every person is different and they have different needs for their business. So that one strategy, meeting with every single member first, making sure they have a plan, and then putting them inside of the mastermind to help them to grow is just, I know that's going to be a game changer for my business. So thank you so much, Anne, for the incredible workshop. I will attend every workshop that you have. Looking forward to the next one because I know that you are truly the person that can help me scale my business. So thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing.